Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall the F1 TV app. So let's get started. So here we can see the F1 TV app. So to uninstall it, you have to follow this simple method. So press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. Okay. So at here we can see the app info. So here you have to scroll down at the last. Then you have to click on the last second option as app detail in your store. When you will just click there, it will open the Google Play Store. So from here you have to click on the uninstall button. So here your phone is asking, do you want to really uninstall this app? Just click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. If you want to give the ratings, you can write the ratings from here also, and if you want to read it, you can scroll down and read from here as well. So by this way you can just use it like uninstall it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.